Hi there, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. As accounting professionals work to actually have their own accounting business, one of the things that we often speak of is becoming an accountrepreneur. It's recognizing that as an owner of an accounting firm, you are first and foremost both an accounting professional and an entrepreneur. So as an accountrepreneur, there's actually a journey, a path towards having the premier accounting firm in your area. And I'd like to share with you what that looks like. Now, realize it is your business and you can choose what features or services you choose to offer within your community and how your clients would benefit from those services or actually use what it is you have to offer. Now, with that in mind, let me share with you, though, what we oftentimes share with accounting professionals to help them, in fact, build the premier accounting firm in their area. It all begins with a program called Color Accounting, and it's recognizing that as accounting professionals, we're working with the language of business, accounting, and we need to help bridge what it is the business owner may or may not know about those accounting terms, the key performance indicators, current ratios, liquidity ratios, balance sheets, P&Ls. All of these things can be oftentimes overwhelming and daunting, but they're essential to help the business owner make proper business decisions. And for that, what we do is we begin with a program called Color Accounting. It's meant to help you better communicate with a non-accounting professional. And once that bridge exists, that line of communication, we can then work with them as a client. The next logical step then is providing quality bookkeeping services. And that is accomplished whether it be you or your staff being certified as professional bookkeepers. It's where you're proficient with the day-to-day application of accounting in business. And what we're doing here is literally help you in one of three scenarios, either taking over the books of business from an existing bookkeeper or accountant. Maybe it's taking over the books from a non-accountant, such as maybe the owner or the spouse or administrative person. Or lastly, taking over and creating the books of business from scratch for a business that has not had books of business in place beforehand. Those are three very common scenarios, and in each of those, the professional bookkeeper program assists you in doing so that you can offer quality bookkeeping services. The next is to introduce you to then QuickBooks. QuickBooks is a very common software that is often utilized by small businesses to literally do their books of business. And in that, you're going to be trained in both desktop and online, so QBD and QBO. And it's with that competency you're then certified as a QuickBooks specialist. Next in the journey is then the back office. Now you're up and running, you're busy. Let's go ahead and look at what it is that you need to be doing so efficiently. And it's that efficiency that gives you the profitability you're looking for as you're running your business. It's the tips and tricks of running a successful accounting and bookkeeping business. The next happens to then be becoming a profit and growth expert. This is essential because now with all those things in place, the energy needs to be put into two elements. One is marketing and sales to ensure that we're growing the business and getting the clients we need, but it's also offering the most common service that's necessary, which is addressing cash flow needs of a client. It's becoming a profit and growth expert where you're actually trained and certified in very specific strategies that you can use working with clients to address cash flow needs that they have. Next, actually, then is once the cash flow is in place, in order, and the company is being profitable, moving from red to black, we then want to emphasize then making profit a priority. And as a profit-first professional, you're able to then focus on what you can do to make profit deliberate. And with this program, offer a unique service in your market. Lastly, it's then becoming a certified value builder provider. In doing so, you're now going to be working with the client to ensure that they're working on the most important part of their business, the business itself. It's beginning with the end in mind. It's basically looking at the exit strategy and seeing what you can do to ensure that the business is in fact worth what the owner would expect it to be, whether they choose to merge, be acquired, whether it be that they need outside business loans, or lastly, sell the business. And in each of these scenarios, what you're doing as the accounting professional is focusing on what you can do to ensure that the business is in fact worth what the client intends it to be. This journey here is to ensure that you're offering the very quality services that you should be doing and being the premier accounting firm in your area. As you begin this journey with Color Accounting and finish it with Value Builder, I hope you can see now that you're ensuring that you're offering the premier accounting services as you should. You're then certified as a professional bookkeeper, a QuickBooks specialist, a profit and growth expert, a profit first professional, and a certified Value Builder provider. All of these, whether it be yourself or your staff, ensure that your clients are actually being assisted, you're retaining them because of the quality services you're offering, and you're getting referrals because of the unique work that you do. All of this is basically meant to get you paid what you're worth. Why? Because accounting success is universal. Take advantage of this and learn what more you can be doing to work on your business. Contact us now at Universal Accounting. What we can do is do a quick assessment of your company, talk about your current opportunities, challenges, perhaps objectives and goals, and determine which is the next logical step for your company, whether it be training you or your staff on offering these quality services. Reach out to us now. You can contact us at 801-265-3777 or visit us at universalaccountingschool.com. Take care, have a great day, and always remember this: if it's about accounting, it is universal.